Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making crispy, cheesy chicken ranch patties. Quick and easy. So let's get started. Okay, for the main ingredients to make our crispy, cheesy chicken ranch patties, quick and easy, we have about a pound of a chicken breast here that we're going to slice up. And over here we have a half a cup of cheddar cheese. Back here we have a cup of mozzarella cheese. And over here we have our 3/4 of a cup of flour that we're going to use. It's an all-purpose flour. And up here we have about a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Yep. And over here we have 3 large nice eggs. And back here we have our seasonings. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, yep, and 1 teaspoon of thyme, and a pinch of cayenne pepper, yeah, that ought to make it taste good, and 2 tablespoons of parsley flakes. That sounds good, doesn't it? Okay, let's go ahead and put some of this aside. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and cut up our nice chicken breast here. But before I did that, I went ahead and sharpened my knife, using this AnySharp knife sharpener. This really does come in handy in a pinch. I mean, it works really good. We've been using it for about 2 years now, and it still is working good. We're testing it out for you guys, and if it fails, we'll let you know. And then you know how long yours will last. Yep. And we use it quite a bit here, because I forget to sharpen my knives quite a bit, as you guys well know. Yeah, okay. Let's put this aside, and we'll go ahead and we'll get ready to slice up our nice chicken breast here. So let me get it back where I can cut it up good. Okay, let's go ahead and slice it up. We'll get the end off there, and maybe this end. Okay, then we'll turn it sideways like that, and we'll go ahead and slice it. No, we're going to cube this up really good, right? So we're going to go ahead and slice it in half lengthwise. Yeah, just lay your hand flat there, and we'll go down through the middle just like this, like you're filleting. Okay, see, and you got 2 nice chunks. Look at that. Okay, but leave them together. And then we'll put them like this. And we'll go ahead and slice them thin. Just like that. And every time we slice through there, we'll get 2 nice chunks. Every time we slice through there, we'll get 2 nice slices. Boy, that knife is sharp. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to see any big pieces, No. We're going to turn it sideways here. And we're going to go ahead and cut through them this way. And we'll make nice little chunks. Okay, now these little bits here, we can cut them in half, then in half again. Okay, there you go. We have all our chicken all nice and cubed up, really quick like, That's a good way of doing it, to make it really fast. And look at it, they're the little chunks. Nice, beautiful. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put our chicken aside for a minute. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to bring in a nice bowl here, and we're going to crack some eggs. Put 3 nice large eggs in there. Then we're going to take all our nice seasonings and we're going to put them right in there. Now we're going to go ahead and beat them up, you know? Yeah, okay. Okay, now to that we're going to go ahead and add our mozzarella cheese. You know, it's about 1 cup. Put that right in there. And we're going to go ahead and add a half a cup of cheddar cheese. Put that in there. Boy, that's a lot of cheese. That's why we call them cheesy chicken ranch patties, because it's got plenty of cheese. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add our chicken in there. Yeah, put that right in there. Look at all that chicken. Okay, let's go ahead and mix that up. Mix our chicken in with all that good stuff. Look at that seasoning in there. Boy, that looks good. At this point, you're probably thinking, he should have used a bigger bowl. Yeah, me too. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now at this point, we're going to go ahead and add our 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Put that right in there. And we'll go ahead and mix that in. Boy, this is really smelling good already. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our 3/4 cup of flour and we're going to put that right in there. Just like that. And we're going to mix that in. Okay guys, there it is. Boy, doesn't that look good? Now all we have to do is fire up our cast iron skillet and get ready to fry these babies up. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, let's set our burner to medium and we'll go ahead and put a little oil in the pan. Now we need quite a bit of oil here so we can fry these up good. So we're going to put like at least 2 ounces. Okay, and we'll let that get nice and hot. Okay, our oil seems hot enough. Now let's go ahead and make our delicious cheesy chicken ranch patties. We'll take our ice cream scoop here and we'll just get a nice scoopful out of there. Just like that. And we'll put them right in there. And we'll go ahead and get another one. Put that right in there. And we'll get another one. Put that right in there. Keep doing that until you fill up your pan. Don't crowd them too much. because we're going to do these in batches. Okay, let's put a little more on that one. Okay. Now just smash them down a little. Okay, we'll let them cook on that side until they get a nice golden brown on that side, you know. Then we'll flip them over. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Okay. Let's flip this one. And we'll get this one. And we'll flip this one. Look at the cheese coming out of there. Oh yeah. Okay. They're looking pretty good. It won't be long now and we'll have a taste test. Yeah, that's the best part. Okay, let's flip this one over and see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Okay. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to flip these over several times to get them the perfect color. Nice and golden brown and a little bit crispy on the outside. That's what we want. And that does sound good. Look at all that cheese that's in there. Boy, these are going to taste good. I just know it. Okay, keep an eye on them and just flip them over. Okay, let's flip this one over and see how we're doing. Beautiful. How about this one? Whoop, okay. Alright, now that's perfect right there. Okay, let's try this one. We'll get this one on this side this time. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, and we'll get this one on this side this time. They're looking good. Okay. They're almost done. We'll let them go on that side just a little longer and then they'll be done. We'll make another batch. Okay, it's been about another 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and get them out of there and make another batch. We'll go ahead and put them on a nice paper towel here and let them drain. Boy, don't they look good? Wow. I bet you they're going to taste really good. Look at the cheese in there. Okay, let me put this aside and we'll do another batch. We'll see how many we got left in here. Might only have like 3 or 4, maybe 4. Well, 4 and a little one. 3 and a little one, I mean. Yeah. Sometimes I wonder if I can count straight. Okay, let's flatten them out a little. Let's leave this one kind of puffed up a little because he's kind of small anyway, right? Okay, we'll let them cook maybe 2-3 minutes and then we'll flip them over. Okay guys, let's flip these over and see how we're doing. Pretty nice. Okay, what about this one? Wow, okay. And this little one? Yeah, we better keep him to the side. He's kind of small. Okay, we'll let them go on that side, maybe another 2-3 minutes. Okay guys, let's see how we're doing. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Alright. Okay. Let's check our little one. Okay, he's about done, that one. This one might need a little more on this side and this side. This one's about done. Okay, it's been about another minute or two. We're going to flip that one over and see if we can get that side a little more crispy. Okay, and we'll do the same to this one. And this one's probably pretty good. Beautiful. And this one's probably done too. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, they're about done. Let's go ahead and shut off our burner, because that pan is really hot, so it'll continue to cook them. And we'll just pull them out and let them rest. Boy, do they smell good. I can't wait to bite into them. Okay, let's flip them over one more time here and see how we're doing. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. I just had to check that, you know. Okay, let's put them on a plate and we'll let them drain. Can you see them? Boy, they're beautiful looking right there. I'll put that little one right up here in the middle. And we'll get this one and put it right here. Wow. Don't they look good? Can you see them? They really do look good. Okay, now all we have to do is have a taste test. Yeah, that's the best part. Can't wait for that. Alright, let's do it. Let's have a taste test. Okay guys, here they are. Look at them. Don't they look good? Our crispy, cheesy chicken ranch patties. And they were quick and easy to make. And we also made a nice dill sauce. It'll be in the description down there, you know, the recipe for that, if you want to make it. There's also a butter dill sauce, but I don't have the recipe for that offhand, so I'll have to look that up. Anyway, this is really a good, nice lunchtime meal or dinner meal. It's really an anytime meal. It's just really tasty, and you can make like sandwiches out of them. You know, you can put this patty on a nice sandwich and go ahead and, you know, smother it with some nice dill sauce or lettuce and tomato. Boy, that would be good. Okay, let's just get into a bite. Let's see how they are. All right, here we go. Let's just break this open. Look at the cheese in there, guys. Can you see it? Oh, wow. Are these going to be good? And we'll dip this in our nice dill sauce. Okay, wow, look at that. All right, let's just go ahead and have a bite. Mmm. Are they good? They're delicious. You're just going to love these. Okay. There you have it, guys. Crispy, cheesy chicken ranch patties. And they were quick and easy. And let me tell you, they are delicious. Okay, guys, if you make this many, you might have to invite a couple guests over, you know. Or maybe you could freeze a couple and save them for tomorrow. You know, tomorrow's lunch or something. That sounds good. And you know what'll go good with this right here? A nice cold glass of wine, since I'm having it for dinner. That does sound good. Alright guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Mmm, crispy cheese chicken ranch patties. And they were quick and easy to make. That's what's for dinner tonight. You can't beat that.